Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Uncle Roo from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm here with Miss Jam Tours. It's the night time, and it's the first time she'll be driving at night, family. So I'm just giving her a taste of what the road look like on the night and how to. Yeah, family. So I want to show Miss Jam Tours the functionality of the car driving at night. So I'm about to do that, family. It's Miss Jam Tours driving at night for the first time ever.
Loving this driving school.
You're loving this driving school. Let me kind of just turn on the lights, family.
What's our mileage again? You've seen it.
Where?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Italy.
Yeah.
124,661.
Okay. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours. It's her first time driving at night.
Yes.
And now I have to teach her a lot of new stuff. So it's her first time driving at night, family.
Yeah, today I need to learn a lot. I can see mist off on.
Alright, so you just do the regular thing. To
Yeah.
start the car.
Yeah.
The regular stuff where you know just start the car in the daytime.
Nothing is. Oh, the lighters are dead.
Oh, it's get brighter?
You notice?
Wow, that's
When I
what I
started the
noticed.
car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is night time, and I'm gonna give her a night ride. So first, turn on your light.
Oh, guy. Okay, let me see if I can remember.
Yeah. And to get the eye beam, you push it out.
I push what out?
Push the stick out. Push it like this. Yeah.
Ah.
So if it's too dark, you just push it out to get it brighter.
Maybe it's full bright.
Okay. But when you use full bright and somebody's coming, you affect them seeing, but it's
So
alright. Nobody's not on the road, so you can use the full beam.
Ah, so I've turned them off, not
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2,
Out.
3.
Now you
And
reverse
when I want to remove it, just
Yeah,
quick.
bring it back, yeah. So if somebody coming your way, you feel like you're using the light to distract them, you just push it back. So Miss Jam Tours is reversing for the first time at night. She's reversing for the first time at night, family. Let's see how she do. So using the side mirrors and everything. Look at the glass, eh?
Yeah, I'm checking the 3 sides. Most of this one.
Okay. Okay, right. I don't know, I never put it all the way around. But it's alright. We go on and put it in drive. We should have put it all the way around, but it's alright. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours driving at night for the first time.
So now I'm on full light.
Yeah, you see? It's gonna get dim after you pull it down.
Okay. Let me use full light. Guy, I'm banning that guy.
Yeah, maybe you're damaging his eye.
There's a car coming.
Remember, it's the first time driving at night, So don't try what you do in the daytime.
No, I'm not trying.
You can't try to, so you try
Actually,
to.
I don't know whether I should make this car pass.
Just go on speed and worry about what's behind you. Don't want to pass, they'll pass. But it's your first time driving at night, so you have to be careful. You can't do like we're doing today.
Yeah.
So once
I normally have this challenge to pull up because I don't want to step on a lot.
Yeah.
Well, if he wants to pass, he can pass.
Yeah, he will pass, yeah, obviously.
I guess I'm using a lot of light. Let me just use.
Yeah,
The
because we have
regular.
light inside there already, so I don't think
I
you
don't need to use full light.
full light. You're taking this
Is it
kind of
on?
very good now.
Yeah. But what are hazards? I just normally hear hazards.
Hazard is if you have emergency or if you stop on the road and something happen to you, like say you break down
So where
and
they
you stop
have-
around a corner, it's blinking on the light. I'll
At the
turn it
back?
on and put the camera on it to show you when you stop.
Okay.
So if you're in an emergency, you want to pass at a car,
Guy,
You
where
put
am I
it-
indicating, bro?
you need to pass other cars, you know that is a problem.
Hey, look at this one.
It's
Yeah,
very
but
bright.
I feel
Him
like
dim it. I feel like he dim it. Go on, see it.
Baby, you know, I even can't see well.
Because it's too bright. You see
Yeah,
the effect.
yeah, he burnt me. Yeah.
So that's the reason.
And
It's the
inside
reason
here
why.
is not so dark. Like
That's the reason why you should actually
use the
be
regular.
mindful, like when you're
So up to
using
you, you be mindful of your regular of the.
light. Yeah. See
Look
that
at
one
that
is
one.
bright. It's bright.
Also going to burn you. Also going to burn your eyes. That you know what somebody's. It's too much. Hey, I don't know. It's like 30. You know me. I thought I'm the only one who is using, but that one is dim. That one.
So
It's not so
you're
bright.
giving them. You're giving them.
Yes, when you give me full light, I also give you full light.
But if you want
Can
them
be a
to,
bad
if it's
person.
too bright for you,
Mm.
you just do this 2 times to blink it. So them acknowledge that it's too bright and then supposed to
like
dim.
this.
Bring 2 times, just bring it back 2 times. Yeah.
Okay,
They
I'll
indicate.
blink for that one. It looks like it.
See, this is nowhere to blink nothing. You just, yeah.
I'll blink for them because it's too bright.
And if you wanna,
Look at all the in fact the one behind the white one. Lord,
if you wanna give somebody pass, you blink it 2 times so they know that you're giving them pass.
What I normally see people doing when at the like at bypass.
Mm.
Okay. It's quite a challenge to drive at night
Why?
because number one, I feel like I can't even see the side mirrors.
Yeah, you
Well,
can.
I'm sure with time I'll get used to, maybe. Not sure.
Yeah.
And because you see, like when I'm driving during the day, there's no car behind me, I can stop. I normally check to see the way you told me if I'm on the pave.
Mm.
But now I don't I can see anything.
Oh, well, I guess. But I guess because you know the
So this
average.
was the corner. This was the corner I had to stop because the man had taken like my lane and his lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you know the average
Mm-hmm.
and the car,
Oh yeah.
You
I
don't-
don't need to keep.
you don't really like to get
Checking.
check.
Okay. Is this a car or a motorbike? You know, there are some cars that go with one light. Like, yeah. One is just
You wanna go outside or what?
outside the gate.
Yeah.
I had thought about it.
Alright, let's go around the court and then maybe come out, or you just go straight.
We go to the base court where I normally go.
Yeah, maybe just go. Maybe you can just go.
We can do
Let's go out and turn and come back.
outside we up to total.
Mm.
Okay. At night. You want these people to burn my eyes? Look at this, he good. Just passing me like I know how to drive.
Yeah, family. So it's the first time Miss Jam Tour is going through the gate at night.
Please
The
open
first
it
time
now,
going through the
surely.
gate at night. This one they open for you.
He had better stand well because if he doesn't, I'll pass with him.
You know, it's the first time at night.
Yeah. Like today, I'm sure when I came out with the car, I'm sure those people were shocked.
Oh.
The soldiers, you know, they're used to seeing you there.
Yeah, the front.
Mm. You know, they were like, where is this girl going with the car?
Okay.
Yeah. There's this girl, baby girl, going with the car alone. But I noticed there's some drivers who are just stubborn. They want to stay in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Feel like winking for that. Is it called winking? That one you've told me to do.
Which one?
1, 2, like this.
Oh, about resist video you're using for enemy
No, boy,
things.
yes, put flash that one a lot.
Yes, but light a lot.
Until I can't see you. Here there's normally a huge traffic of cars. Like today.
Yeah, and
Today's
this,
on Saturday. God, I forgot there are bumps here.
yeah.
Thank God I saw it.
I think most people go to this club up there.
This Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker.
Yeah. I'm not in a hurry. You can pass. Today is not during the day. Cause
I guess you can't come out. You can't come here at night now by yourself, don't you?
Yes, I see. Well, not yet. Hey,
By yourself, sweetie.
not yet, guy. You know, I'll panic.
Oh, you
You know, it's the only light that is within is just for the car, and maybe the street light. So
what?
I can't see clearly.
I mean, you
Not I
can't.
can't see. I can't see. Maybe I'm just panicking, or maybe because it's my first time. Sure.
Yeah.
Let me close you a little.
Guys, sweetie. It's night, you know, it's night and there's a bump.
Yeah, I can see it. There's a bump here. This one I can't forget it. Else we will fly. That one. And this stretch is just one. Sure.
Guys, stop. Go around like that.
I like how the steering normally return itself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe just go through the gas station here and turn. Go through the gas station. Maybe I need to buy some gas. I don't have my phone with me.
You need?
How much? We have two
Two
bars.
bars. Maybe you can buy tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Just go around the gas. Pizza in. You cannot get a little touch of the main road. Or you wanna go on the main road.
No, guy. Imagine during the day I've not tasted the main road. And then,
it's night, sweetie.
no, sir, me don't want.
You have to go on the main road.
You know, I can park here very nice. Don't give me the check. Look what are your bank. You go back?
I guess. You don't want to, if you're to go on the main road, so you go back.
I'm afraid.
It's best to go in the daytime still.
Yeah, at night. See, I'm telling you here, some cars go with one light. You might think it's a motorbike. Only for you to see it's a car.
Yeah, if I was to Miss Jam tours using her indicator and everything.
Mom was worried. I didn't tell you when I was taking the corners. She's like, Ebu indicate. You know, a car can be behind and then to hit us.
Indicate?
Indicator, this indicator thing.
When you was going where?
When we were coming home, at in all those corners, I should keep indicating. I told
That's what you
Mom.
say your mom know more than you?
She does. She's like, hey, you should indicate.
No, we need to indicate going on those cars.
Well, I told her, you know, I told her it's fine, I will. So now the last corner, but there at home, I had to indicate.
Guy.
She told me, when we were nearing, she told me, Ebu, indicate, you show the car that is behind you. You know, you don't really know much how to drive. So sometimes you might think at you.
So she was scared.
Not really scared, but it's good because you see, there can be a kind of, you know. Yeah, I was told to indicate to blood clot.
This girl going to the club.
Yeah, to meet blood clot husband. It's very common here, especially even at the hostel. Girls will dress up.
Yeah.
They're going to the Nanio club. There's a club that used to be there at the hostel called Hacienda.
Yeah.
Thank you. Guy, I'm so close to that track.
Alright. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours to make the ride out. Night ride.
Cruise like that girl next to meet each other there. When I reached here, I almost panicked. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
and then Mom told me, you just go there, you're going slow.
Just go slow.
Just go slow. Now has the car hooted?
Yeah.
I want to go to the baseball court and then I come up.
Okay.
I like my skills of taking the bumps though.
Mm.
I hate how drivers juke people like.
So we need to watch it and it's go
Oh,
on.
the corner.
We put on the I-beam now.
Yeah, so that because I can't see at the front there. Oh, here two cars can fit though.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like men are most confident drivers than.
So if I say woman timid and
Women are so nervous.
so see they can reverse around like we do this morning.
Bobo, during the night, surely. Do you reverse at well?
Obviously.
Pull up behind trees. Hey,
Really?
I thought I'll see during the night. Well, if you want to give me the challenge, I can try.
Yeah, family, so I'm when Miss Jam towards the reverse.
For real?
I'm gonna come out. I want her to reverse around that tree. So I want her to reverse. Want her to reverse around this tree. She's gonna reverse around here, like from here. Straight around here. And coming straight round. So you're taking it that way? Oh, you take, okay. Alright. Yeah, if I was a Miss Jam tour, she's gonna go round and round and round and come back this side. Go on, Miss Jam tours. Where you going, sweetie? Okay, enter in between this log. Alright, let me see how good it is. So Miss Jam tours are she enter in between this tree and the log here. That's what she said she's doing, so I'm watching her. Hope she don't hit this post. Let me see how far she is. Okay. Wow, you're good, man. Alright, go on. Go on. Go on, Miss Jam Tours. Go on. Go on, Miss Jam Tours. Go on. Round there, Miss Jam Tours, round there. Round there. Wow. I'm impressed. Round there. Round there. Round there. Round there, round there. 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 Yeah, families, as I can see, Miss Jam Tours actually make it around. Wow. Wow. Wow, Miss Jam Tours. Let's go.
Ah,
How you feeling?
nice.
You feeling nice.
Until I sleep like a doll. Wow. I feel like I've even done it quick
Like in
morning.
But in the morning, you never go through that small place. You go to the bigger side round. The bigger side.
And then I went through the small place.
Wow.
Wow. Let me now go and try and park there.
Where?
At home.
Okay.
Don't forget I'm parking between a pavement and there's a car already.
Okay.
Okay, so we drive.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, Miss Jam Tours actually take up the challenge, and she actually deliver. She actually deliver, family. She actually delivers. So now, family, we actually heading back home, and they said she wanna park the car. So we're gonna see if she have the skills to park at the driveway, family. So let's see. Let's go.
Yeah.
So guys, like, share and comment on the video, and let us know your thoughts about Miss Jam Tours driving at night for the first time. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if she did good. Let us know if she needs to improve on anything.
Do you think I need to improve on something?
Well, I guess you're learning, so you'd have to as you reach this stage, you know what I mean.
Definitely. Well, I'm just asking. Maybe I should have framed my question better. How did you like it?
Yeah, I was impressed. I never knew you could have done it, but you did it.
Oh, because in the morning I took the larger space, so you thought I'll repeat the same thing.
As I was asking which one you're going through.
I also wanted to challenge myself.
Yeah, family. So we're actually home, and Miss Jam Tours is actually, wanna park in the parking lot. So let's see how she do. Let me get out and see how she do.
Please do. Let's turn down this.
Yeah, you can turn it down. Alright, Miss Jam Tours. The wheel is yours.
Now, where is that side behind me?
Yes. So what you need to do? Huh?
Whatever I'm doing, just spin.
So you just straighten up.
I need to go behind it. Not behind like that.
No, you need to straighten up and then come this way and then go back. So go back a little. Where you going?
I wanted to go like that and then I...
Alright. Do it how you want to do it. Do it how you want to do. You're the driver, not me. Yeah. You're seeing behind you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm wondering, is this too far? But anyway, don't...
Have to watch this. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours trying to get this reversed by herself at night. You're too close. Just go straight out and then lock it this way. Go
Come on,
straight.
check and enter. I just don't know how to do it. I want to lock the wheels.
Eh?
I want to. Then I.
So that's what I'm saying. Go straight out and then turn it this way and then
down
straighten. Yeah, go down more so you can get the space. Yes, then you wrap it up now. Then you wrap it up.
I go up.
You wrap it up. Yeah. Go on now.
This next.
No, sweetie, you won't eat it. You're going away from it.
Oh yeah, this is what I was.
Yeah.
This is what I was asking.
Yeah, and then you just straighten up now and come back. Yeah, take it in a little. Take it in, take it in. Look on that side. Look on that side now. You see? Guy. Yeah, look, you see? Look where you're
I
at.
can see the pavement.
Okay.
Is it far? Or I'll
So
find
go
it.
back out. You have to go back out.
I drive again.
Yeah, go back out to the front there and come back.
Again down.
Go straight, yeah, and come back.
Don't hit my
Just
neighbor.
go close to it, not so far. Alright, that's good now.
This wheel is a challenge.
Not that way, sweetie, not that way. Yeah, that way. Yeah, just a little, yeah, like that. And then straighten it up now. Straighten it up. Yeah. Yeah, straighten it up. Yeah, come back. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Yeah, go on. You're good. Yeah.
Feel like
You
I'm
make a why, but it's alright.
Huh?
It's alright, sweetie.
I go a little.
It's alright, B. It's alright, it's fine. So you find that reverse at night.
Oh, the hair is thin like this.
But it's alright, sweetie.
I'm
you
sure
don't
I
have to
can
worry.
line it.
No, sweetie, it's alright. You don't have to kill yourself.
Okay, so let me pack.
Okay.
You've told me. Guy, I normally lift this thing too hard. Like that.
Yeah.
It was quite
The light's still on.
oh. Eh? I would have left them like that. And then you find the nanny has finished. So I need to come out.
Yeah. Yeah, family, that was Miss Jam Tours. Night ride, night life, night drive. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa.
But I
One
don't
love.
think
Any last words?
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell me how I'm performing on my daily exams of driving. Love.